I have unscheduled book. That's Rilakkuma, but this is in 2012 schedule book Rilakkuma. (2012) and 2013. So here Rilakkuma. What? Oh, a Rilakkuma again. And Rilakkuma eating biscuits. So this is my schedule book. Thank you for watching. Arigatou gozaimasu. I hope you like this my video. And please subscribe. Thank you.